Good evening, Nathanael Ackerman. You are a coordinator of AI4Belgium Coalition. And Nathanael, we are asking three same questions to all our guests and speakers. And here's the first one. Europe is considered to be way behind USA and China in terms of AI race. According to you, how can Brussels and Europe contribute to AI development?
I think there are many things to do. The first thing is to have much more investment in AI, in research and in the startups and the scale-ups. So we see that all our startups and scale-up are bought by big groups at the very fast. The second thing is that we have excellent researchers in Europe, so we have to bring together all the research community and the business community, because the technology transfer is very important in AI, and we should bet on our researchers much more than we do at the moment. I think we can maybe put in place some data platforms so that big companies can share their data at a certain level, so that we can develop new application of AI. And so there is a huge importance in sharing the data in Europe between the different companies, because Europe is very fragmented. So we have to create bridge between all the AI communities in Europe also.
Nathanael, lately we hear a lot about the dangers of AI. As you see it, what positive changes can be brought by AI?
There are many positive applications of AI. I will give three examples. The first one is on prevention. We invest huge amount of money on new medicine, for example, but if we do invest in prevention, people will be much less sick, and it's very important. So AI system can help you in having a better understanding on how you behave and not getting sick, for example. Second application is in the public governance of budget. We could use AI to manage complex budget and complexity that supersedes the human capacities, for example, and avoid to have political, let's say, choices, but more rational choices in the public governance. And the third application, we are waiting much from education, because machine learning systems could adapt to the students, for example, and so we could provide to each student the best education he needs, and understand what are the errors he does, and adapt the lessons to the students.
Very good, thank you. And in your opinion, what is the place of ethics in AI development, and how can AI contribute to gender, racial equality and social justice?
Okay, I think ethics is very important in AI, because when we talk about AI, in fact, we are talking about the human beings. So it asks many questions on our values and how we do live in society. So when you develop a new product or service in AI, you need to think about the bias you will introduce in the system. And so the fact that you need to think about that makes maybe application less biased than it is done generally when it is purely human processes.
Okay, thank you very much, and Nathanael Ackerman. Thank you.
Thank you.